Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What did you do last weekend? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Weekend. Restaurant. Park. Go. Conversation. What did you do last weekend?
I went to a restaurant.
What did you eat?
I ate a hamburger. What did you do last weekend?
I played at a park with my family.
Where did you go?
I went to Green Park. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What did you do last weekend?
I went to a restaurant.
What did you eat?
I ate a hamburger. What did you do last weekend?
I played at a park with my family.
Where did you go?
I went to Green Park. Word quiz. Restaurant. Park. Weekend. Go. Conversation quiz. What did Max say? What did you eat? What did you do last weekend?
I went to a restaurant.
What did Lily say? What did you eat?
I ate a hamburger. I went to a restaurant.
What did Lily say?
Where did you go? I went to a restaurant.
I went to Green Park. You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.